Good morning. My name is Agustin. Today I will share about AI is cool. AI is a helpful. It helps us in many ways. Talking with AI can talk to us. We ask it questions and it answers. Finding things. AI help us find things. Where is the park? How is the weather? Helping at home. AI can turn on the TV or play music. It makes things easy. Learning with AI. AI can help us learn. It shows us pictures and tells us stories. Play games. AI makes games fun. It helps us play and new things. AI is smart. It helps us every day. That is all for me. Thank you.